Finally, my watch is here. Wow, that's a huge box. It's gonna be the watch. Anyway, let's go upstairs and see what it is. Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today we have a new package from s-forcewatches. We're gonna unbox this baby right here. But look at this box. All this for a watch? That's insane. Are you ready to open this box? I am definitely ready. Are you guys ready? Alright, let's do this. Yeah, so as I said, I was surprised when I saw this box. I was like, no way, this cannot be the watch. But apparently it is, because I had to sign for it. So yeah, we have some protection here. And yeah, wow, this is a huge box, man. Look at that. Nice. S-force. I've got the Frost model, which is a limited edition, only 99 models made. So I'm very curious to see which number I have. Alright, let's see how we can open this up. Are you excited, baby? Yes? Good boy. Alright, let's carry on. Oh wow. Look at that. This is a huge suitcase for a watch. Let's open this up. Guys, you gotta see this. You gotta see this. What a brilliant watch. I am so thrilled. I'm so happy. Looks amazing, feels amazing. And now I want to show you what else you will find in this suitcase. So as you remove this, you will get the manual, which is a very big as well and a very nice manual, yeah, with all the functions, all the features and how to set up everything. Very good and helpful. And over here there are some motivational words. Alright. We also have the keys for the suitcase to make sure you keep it secure. What else is here? Okay, we have something that looks like a card. And it has different things over here, like letter opener, box opener, mobile phone stand, what else? Screwdriver, bottle opener. So it's a multifunctional card basically. Yeah, very helpful. You never know when you might use this. We have a cleaning cloth, We have some more motivational words, yeah, from the S-Force team, and the certificate of authenticity. So yeah, that's about it. Alright guys, well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more fitness content, and don't forget to use the discount code ROS10 at checkout. And yeah, go and check it out guys, they're amazing.